How to lose belly fat fast with lemon water and apple cider vinegar. In this video, you will learn 3 things that will help you lose belly fat or body fat in general. If you have been trying to lose weight for some time, you probably have heard about losing weight with lemon water and apple cider vinegar. Well, have you tried them? And did they work for you? Before you continue to watch this video, I want you to understand 3 things that you must do for these 2 effective weight loss remedies to work for you. You're not going to lose a lot of weight if you drink lemon water and apple cider vinegar, period. Here is what you must do. First, you must make low-calorie diet your stable diet. Second, you must do some form of regular exercise daily, or at least 4 to 5 times a week. And third, your lemon water and apple cider vinegar must be prepared the right way, and we will show you how in this video. Now, here are the 3 main critical things you must learn in this video to succeed. First, we will share with you detailed information about apple cider vinegar, why it works, and the scientific reason behind it all. Second, we will share the same information about lemon water so that you will know why it works and what you will gain from it when combined with apple cider vinegar. And lastly, we will share with you the recipe on how to prepare the apple cider vinegar and lemon water drink. Beverages made with lemon and apple cider vinegar have been incredibly popular among dieters. The problem is that their popularity has caused so much misleading information to spread online. Lemon water and ACV aren't the miracle tonics for fat loss that they're made out to be. However, they do have their science-backed benefits when it comes to health and fat loss. To help you manage your expectations and learn the best ways to harness the fat-blasting power of these 2 ingredients, here's how to lose belly fat fast with lemon water and apple cider vinegar. Why apple cider vinegar works. Multiple studies have already proven that the acetic acid in vinegar is beneficial not only to weight and fat loss, but overall health. Among the most compelling studies is the one led by Japanese researchers from the Central Research Institute of the Mizkan Group Corporation. In their study, which was published by Bioscience, Biotechnology, and Biochemistry in 2009, they found that consuming 15 to 30 milliliters of vinegar daily helps combat obesity. In fact, it does not just help in weight loss, but also in losing fat and lowering cholesterol. In another study published by the American Diabetes Association's Diabetes Care Journal in 2004, researchers found that vinegar consumption helps improve the insulin levels of people with type 2 diabetes, especially after they consume carbohydrate-filled meals. The fact that it helps tackle insulin sensitivity makes it a good option for weight management. While regular vinegar has been proven to be effective for fat loss and weight management, apple cider vinegar is especially beneficial because it has nutrients and bacteria that promote gut health and consequently improves your digestion and nutrient absorption. Why lemon works. Lemon water is a natural diuretic that will help you minimize bloating, consequently allowing you to enjoy a flatter-looking belly. However, the benefits of lemon consumption do not stop there. Lemons are incredibly rich in vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system. Additionally, a study published by the Current Opinion in Lipidology in 2013 suggests that the flavonoids in lemons and other citrus helps address insulin resistance as well as obesity. Here is the process. Take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and add it to 8 ounces of drinking water. The best way to take this is to sip it warm first thing in the morning. If you like, you can squeeze the juice of a lemon wedge into your apple cider vinegar. Or you can squeeze a half lemon into 2 cups of water separately and sip throughout the day to help keep you hydrated and further boost your weight loss. Repeat the first part, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 8 ounces of drinking water before dinner. Don't forget to drink a lot of water throughout the day also. How to lose belly fat fast with lemon water and apple cider vinegar is easy. and you'll be pleased with the results from such minimal effort. for as long as you understand that it's not an instant and miraculous fix. Also, make sure you don't overdo it, or you might make matters worse for you. For as long as you do it right, you can enjoy a flatter belly with just these easy-to-find ingredients. Here are study references we used in the creation of this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.